All right, guys, April 8th, pretty good rotational day. We broke them, we rallied them. There were a couple pretty decent calls. This one wasn't for a huge move, but just two things I want to wrap everyone's head around and remind them. Number one, upside magnet was pretty bright at 90. So you get the sense that the market wants to go there. Use the word magnet. It wants to go there, wants to go there. Well, what do you want to see to kind of qualify along? Two things. You want to see some reds get breached where selling comes in, but you also want to see where the heck you would be wrong. Okay, so in this chop is below it is where you'd be wrong. Okay, that's number one. You see some red come in, or you see this red start to get breached, you begin to say, hey, I think I've got the fuel needed to go up. There's one other thing you could look at in another market, but let's just play this as it developed. We have 90 even as the target up there, okay? We have this consolidation, and as soon as they breach this red comes in, they do breach it here and can't get it to go. This second time, nothing is ever a no-brainer, but this second time is like, man, if you're bullish, you should be long, and if you're bearish, you should not be short. When you couple magnet, rotation, here, I'll do this again. Magnet up here, rotation, 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 rotation. How many times you think it's going to hold? Red gets breached, second time even, and it's going to go to the magnet, and this ended up being the open. That strips out the randomness. Now, there's one other thing that I could show you, and that is in the NASDAQ at the same time, around 9:15 Central, it had several good-looking swing highs to take out. You actually want to see those swing highs have several kind of several attempts, because conventional wisdom, this is something you're learning. People that watch these videos come to the room, they learn conventional wisdom turned upside down is where you're going to find your skill in this business. Everybody is going to look at all the attempts at these swing highs as great what? Great resistance. Let's sell it. Life is good. That's when they're wrong in here. So when resistance is clear, it's no longer resistance. So that happened. They started taking that out at the same time around 9:15 as you had some of the upside qualifiers in the S&P. Magnet breached the red, several rotations for a breakout. See you guys on the next video.